the question I had, you said that there's no cranes on the installation. That's because the Boxabl can basically goes down to it's almost like it's like basically opening up a box almost, right?
Yeah, exactly. So the Boxable casita packs down like a box to 8.5 foot wide, typically delivered on our trailer, even by a pickup truck. So it can just be backed into the backyard. Our driver will be able to unload that with the customer there, or if he's there or if he's not. We don't even care if we have level ground to unload it. Our driver can unload that in about half an hour and be on his way. And the customer has just saved himself a crane. And then in terms of the unpacking, because we have fork pockets, which disappear when it's unpacked, but we have fork pockets. Fork pockets, for your viewers, are what forklifts stick into to move things around. So very easy. So an oversized forklift called a telehandler can be used to move the Boxable. And a telehandler doesn't need a special permit. A crane driver, operator, I should say, requires a special permit, special cost. They're huge, they're hard to get a hold of, whereas these oversized forklifts, very easy to move around. Then on the unpacking in production, the production product will not need a crane. We can provide some bracketry with electric winch buttons, and just two guys can unpack the Boxable in about an hour. And when it's all packed up, it's looks just like any other home. In fact, it's built to a far higher standard than you'll find today. So we look at the issues of the problems with the construction industry today. It's a pie, and we just slice up the pie. We call it, our R&D guys here call it a problem pie, and we just attack every slice and get to the root cause and see how we can ameliorate every condition. So transport is a big one. We fix that with the 8.5 foot wide. But once you arrive, the unloading is another one. And then the erection or the unpacking of the product is yet another one. And these all add thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to a build, apart from the coordination and the time of multiple parties. So we've eliminated all of that. And that telehandler, that oversized forklift, you'll be able to stack two Boxables high even. So it seems sort of magical or slightly impossible until you see it done and you say, oh, that's kind of obvious. That's kind of obvious after you've seen it done.